Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore pineapple farms in states like Hawaii, Florida, and California. We will see how farmers here cultivate and harvest millions of pineapples for the market. The harvesting process is labor-intensive, requiring skilled workers to carefully pick each fruit. Workers use specialized equipment to move the harvested pineapples efficiently from the field. Once at the factory, the pineapples are washed thoroughly to ensure they are clean. Workers carefully inspect each pineapple to maintain high-quality standards during processing. The factory environment is busy, with teams working together to process the fruit quickly. Mid-February is the peak time when farmers in Florida and California begin planting. Farmers work diligently in the fields to ensure the new pineapple plants are set. In Hawaii, the planting process usually starts about 3 weeks after the initial preparation. The young plants are separated from the mother tree to be transferred to new land. Currently, the total area used for pineapple farming in the United States is about 15,000 acres. This is significantly less than the land dedicated to other fruits like apples and pears. Before planting, the fields are treated with a stimulant to help the plants grow deep roots. Each crown is carefully trimmed to prepare it for planting into the rich soil. Precision is key, as the plants must be properly prepared to ensure successful growth. The prepared crowns are then transported to the fields for the next stage of planting. These workers will plant about 11,000 pineapple trees per acre to maximize the yield. The planting must be done with care to ensure each plant is securely in the soil. From 2000 to 2003, pineapple acreage in the United States was at its peak. At that time, there were about 23,000 acres dedicated to pineapple farming. However, with the rise of other fruit crops, the area for pineapple cultivation has gradually narrowed. Farmers continue to adapt their methods to maintain production despite the changing agricultural landscape. Pineapple is a crop with good drought tolerance, which helps in certain climates. To achieve the best growth, millions of pineapple trees are watered once a week. Agricultural experts suggest that each pineapple plant needs about 1.2 inches of water per week. Consistent watering is essential for the healthy development of the pineapple crop. Most pineapple varieties grown in the United States take about 2 years to be harvested. The long growth cycle requires patience and careful management from the farmers. Regular maintenance is performed throughout the growth cycle to protect the crop. The pineapple develops slowly, requiring specific conditions to reach maturity. Before harvest, the sweetness of the pineapple is checked to ensure it is ready. This testing process is crucial to guarantee the quality of the fruit. Experts carefully analyze the sugar content to determine the perfect harvest time. Once the pineapples are deemed ready, the harvest begins in earnest. Millions of pineapples will be handpicked by the dedicated workforce. Every year, thousands of workers flock to pineapple farms to harvest the fruit. The majority of these workers are dedicated to the labor-intensive harvest process. They work in teams, ensuring the pineapples are collected efficiently. The harvested pineapples are then loaded onto trucks for transport to the factory. In 2020, U.S. pineapple production was about 169,000 tons. Worldwide pineapple production is significantly higher, reaching millions of tons annually. Most pineapples consumed in the U.S. are imported from other countries. These imports come primarily from Costa Rica, Mexico, and Honduras. On average, each American consumes about 7.6 pounds of pineapple per year. After harvesting, the pineapples are sent to factories for processing. The factory processes the fruit into various products, like canned pineapple. Each step in the factory is designed to ensure the highest quality product. The efficiency of the factory process is vital for the industry. The pineapples are carefully handled to prevent any damage during processing. Workers in the factory are trained to handle the pineapples with care. The factory environment is clean and well organized for food safety. The pineapples are then ready to be packaged for distribution. The packaging process is efficient, ensuring the fruit stays fresh. Labels are added to the boxes to identify the product. Each box is carefully labeled before being sent for shipping. The finished products are then ready for the market. The distribution network ensures the pineapples reach consumers everywhere. The pineapple industry continues to grow and adapt to new demands. We hope you enjoyed this look at the pineapple industry. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.